New in Matillion ETL version 1.77 is Snowflake Query Tagging. This feature within Snowflake allows users to tag queries and then analyse the usage of those queries at a later date. This enables actions such as allocating costs to high query usage departments and tracking query usage. So, how do we use query tagging in Matillion ETL? The first thing we need to do is set up a query tag which we will later use against the jobs running within Matillion. We do this through the project menu, where there is a new option called Query Tag Configuration. Opening this menu reveals a number of query tags that are already configured. If we open up one of these tags, we can see that it contains a JSON string. The query tag required by Snowflake is a string of up to 2,000 characters. This uses the JSON string structure because, when analysed within Snowflake, we can use parsing techniques in Snowflake to decompose the JSON string and work on individual elements. Setting up the query string itself is straightforward. Matillion ETL provides a number of automatic variables for use within the configuration utility. By checking or unchecking these options, we can create the configuration. Clicking the Generate Configuration button sets up the required string, and we can adjust these settings by clicking the checkboxes. Once the basic query configuration is in place, we can add bespoke elements of our own. And now that the first tag is created, we can modify it. For example, let's change its content to read engineering and give us an engineering tag. We'll use this later in the demo. We also have a product tag, which functions in a similar way, but includes the department set to product instead. With these two tags set up in Matillion ETL, they are now available for use. Tags are related to environments. Within the Edit Environment settings, there is a new drop-down called Default Tag. As the name suggests, this tag will be associated with any job running with the selected environment. The environment can be set to either no tagging or use one of the pre-configured tags. For example, selecting the product tag assigns it to jobs running within that environment. When running a job, the tag from the selected environment, which in this case is the product tag we just set up, is used by default. However, if a different tag is needed for a particular run, we can select it by right-clicking on the canvas and selecting Run Job using Tag. This allows us to override the default tag and choose a different one, such as Engineering. We can also change tags within scheduling. Any scheduled job that relies on an environment will automatically inherit the tagging associated with that environment at execution time. So let's analyse the query tagging. Let's move over to Snowflake's query history, available under the monitoring section of Snowflake. Applying filters to refine the data, we can see query execution details. Enabling the query tag column displays the tag associated with each SQL run. These tags contain standard automatic variables along with bespoke elements such as the department. This enables us to extract and analyse query usage data effectively. Using the SQL query window in Snowflake, we can extract information from the query history. Since the tags are stored as a JSON string, we can use JSON parsing techniques to extract specific details such as the project group names, job names, and department tags. This allows us to aggregate metrics such as execution count, credit usage, elapsed time, and CPU usage. The query history in Snowflake provides extensive data that can be leveraged to extract any relevant metrics. These insights can be used to allocate costs to departments and gain deeper understanding of query execution trends. Furthermore, JSON parsing within the query tag allows filtering based on specific criteria. This means we can refine our data analysis to focus on particular tags or departments, enabling precise reporting and cost attribution. So in summary, Snowflake query tagging within Matillion ETL provides a powerful way to track, analyze, and optimize query execution. By leveraging JSON-based tagging, organizations can effectively manage resources and gain insights into query performance. For more Matillion ETL videos, please subscribe to the channel. And to get started with Matillion, visit matillion.com.